What if the reason people feel old at 50 has nothing to do with age and everything to do with how they move? In the United States, losing mobility by midlife has quietly become normal. Stiff joints, tight hips, aching backs. But in Japan, nearly 100,000 people are over 100 and still living independently. So what's their edge? It's not extreme workouts, not expensive gyms. It's 5 simple movements done daily. No equipment, no excuses, just results. And the 5th one? That's your knee's ultimate protection, but almost everyone ignores it. Let's fix that. Number 1, Seiza. At first glance, Seiza looks like you're just sitting, but what it's really doing is resetting your entire lower body. Modern life has quietly locked your ankles and shins into stiffness. Shoes restrict movement, chairs weaken natural positions, and that tension doesn't stay in your feet. It travels upward, stressing your knees and pulling your lower back out of alignment. Seiza reverses that. It gently unlocks those tight areas while naturally stacking your spine, no effort needed. Here's how to do it. Kneel on a soft surface. Sit back onto your heels. If it feels too intense, place a cushion between your hips and calves. Keep your chest open. Breathe slowly. Hold for 60 seconds. This isn't just sitting. It's restoring freedom to joints that have been stuck for years. Number 2, heel raises. In Japan, your calves are known as your second heart, and for good reason. Every step you take relies on them to pump blood back up toward your heart. But when they're weak, circulation slows. Your legs feel heavy. Your energy drops. Strong calves change everything. They boost circulation, support your cardiovascular system, and keep your lower body feeling alive. Here's how to do it. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet. Pause at the top for a second, then lower down with control. Use a wall or chair if needed, but focus on squeezing your calves. Do 20 to 30 reps. Within seconds, you'll feel warmth rushing through your legs. That's your body waking up. Number 3, the deep squat. This is a movement your body was built for, but most people have forgotten. Instead of squatting, we sit. On chairs, on couches, all day. And over time, your hips stiffen, your knees weaken, your lower back starts complaining. The deep squat fixes that. Think of it as natural oil for your joints, pushing nutrients into your hips and knees while restoring mobility. Here's how to do it. Lower yourself into a squat as deep as you can. Keep your heels flat on the floor. If you feel unstable, hold onto a door frame or sturdy chair. Hold for 60 seconds. This isn't just exercise. It's your body returning to its original blueprint. Number 4, single leg balance. Want to know your real biological age? Try this. Balance on one leg. If it's harder than expected, that's not just a strength issue. It's your nervous system, because balance is your brain and body working in sync. And when that connection weakens, your risk of falling and aging faster goes up. In Japan, this is seen as one of the most important defenses against decline. Here's how to do it. Stand tall. Lift one foot off the ground. Keep your standing leg strong, but not locked. Too easy. Close your eyes for a few seconds. That's where the real challenge begins. If your ankle shakes, good. That's your system rebuilding itself in real time. Number 5, the wall sit. This is the one most people skip, and it's the one they regret later. The wall sit builds deep strength around your knees, without the impact of running or jumping. It reinforces the ligaments that keep your joints stable and protected. Think of it as insurance for your knees. Because weak knees don't just hurt, they limit your life. Here's how to do it. Lean your back against a wall. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your back flat. Weight in your heels. And hold. Your legs will burn. That's not weakness. That's strength being built. Aim for 60 seconds. This is where resilience is forged. Now put it all together. Your 5-minute daily routine. Start with Seiza, 1 minute. Then single leg balance, 30 seconds each side. Move into a deep squat, 1 minute. Follow with 20 heel raises. Finish strong with a wall sit, 1 minute. 5 minutes a day. That's it. But these 5 minutes, they decide whether you stay strong, mobile, and independent, or slowly lose it. And that wall sit? It's on another level. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective fitness tips, and daily workout challenges.